Hey everyone, right here I was just showing you at the beginning there my headband for my business, my hair business. So that is the headband for it that I just got sent to me. I'm looking to do a new logo for my hair business and actually get them to reprint the headband, but that was just a little show. This right now is an unboxing of a subscription that I did, 12-month subscription that I'm doing with Look Fantastic. It's an absolute amazing subscription that I'm doing. So far, I've gotten good things in the subscription with it. Especially my first box, I had something good in there, and now this is my second box. So I've got 10 more months left to go of subscription. But yeah, let's get into it. This is the editing book that tells you about everything that you've been sent in your subscription box, which is good. Okay, this is me showing you the inside of the box, what I've gotten for my subscription. So let's get into it. This is the watermelon body scrub. I love the smell of it. It smells absolutely good. Yeah, I'll tell you now, the watermelon body scrub, it smells absolutely good. I haven't tried it yet. Oh, sorry about that. Excuse my yawning. This is a mineral water face cleanser, which basically it cleans your face. It also removes makeup, as it says on there, and it's smoothing, gives you a smoothing skin. So it's a 3-in-1. That is a spot dot little patch thing that you put on top of your spots when you start to see spots surface. That's what that's for. Haven't used it yet. When I do, I'll let you know. So if I haven't really been getting spots like that, I do have a bit of acne spots on my cheeks, but it's not that severe. This, I literally had to go into the book to read up about this one because it wasn't telling me much about it on the thing. So I had to read up on it in the book. But this is absolutely amazing. Absolutely, yeah, it's absolutely amazing. I tried it out, use it once or twice a week, which is good. And basically what it does, it's your skin absolutely smooth. So you will get it, and when you squeeze it on your hand, it comes out thick. And once you start to rub it in on your skin, all over your face and your neck, you rub it all over your face and your neck, it starts to liquidize and turn liquidy on your face. And for me, see, it turns liquidy. For me, feel it, not see it. For me, feel it turn liquidy on your face. You get it. Where am I going? You get it. Sorry about that. I meant from it turns liquidy on your face. You leave it for 2 minutes and then wash it off after 2 minutes, and your face and neck is absolutely smooth. So that product for me is 100%. I'm still testing as well to see how far it goes. This eyebrow gel is the bomb. I use it to go park when I didn't want to do my brows, and it did the job when I didn't want to do my brows and kept my brows in place instead of having my brows moving all over the place and stuff like that. It literally kept my brow in place. So that's me there testing it out the day before I went to the park with my girls. But yeah, this is it. It absolutely works well. I absolutely like it. As you can see, I'm still using it, like shaping up the brows and stuff like that still. But yeah. Oh gosh. Sorry about that yawning. I don't know why I feel like I'm tired. I feel like I'm tired, I'm telling you. This is a eyeshadow. And it's a pretty pigmented gold eyeshadow. And I love it. Can't wait to test it out. And actually do a video of me testing it out, which will be soon. 100% it will be soon. Because I keep saying it and I keep forgetting to do a makeup tutorial video. But at least you've gotten a skincare routine video that I've already posted. So if you go and have a look, you will see that I've already posted a skincare video, which I've already posted, and then there's this one. So I'm definitely gonna get a makeup video out there for you, 100%. Oh, jeez. I must be tired. I must be really tired because, wow, I'm yawning a lot. So that's that one done for Look Fantastic. I think somewhere along here, I pick up the book. No, I'll pick up the stuff and I'll show you a bit more about them and tell you where you stick them, like for spots. But I didn't have no spots for me to put it on there and start testing it. Here I was talking about the body scrub where I was saying I want to test it out and see how it works with my body, how good it works on my body and everything like that. So I will do it soon, very soon. The eyebrow one, you see I've already tested out the eyebrow one, so yeah, that one's working very well. So I'm absolutely happy with it. Face toner, I've tested out the face toner on my face and it works absolutely good. But I didn't use it for when I went to take off makeup. I used it for just to clean my face off before I wash my face. And I was supposed to go back and use it again after I wash my face, but I completely forgot to do it. So yeah, I will definitely go back to do it again another time to help obviously clean off more excess stuff, because that does help. as I said about this one, you gotta rub it into your face until it liquidize on your face, and leave it for 2 minutes. And then after 2 minutes, you rub it off your face and your neck. Not just your face, you can rub it also on your neck as well, because it works also good with your neck. Yeah, this is me just going through the book, and I'm about to show you in the book how it tells you about everything that you got, like the products that you got, things like that. There you go. Those are the first 2 products it's showing you, which is the spot dot and the cleanser. And then it's showing you next one, the body scrub, the face wash. That shows you the eyebrow and the eyeshadow stuff. So it's literally showing you all of that, so you know what is what. Yeah, I was looking at my brow there. Don't even pay attention to me there. Just looking at my brow to see how I made my brow look. That's what I was looking at. But yeah, it did a good job to my brow. So I know next time when I don't really want to be doing too much to my brow, I can just put that on and call it a day. Here is where I'm doing the second one, which is the Agora mystery box and lucky dip box. And it is the June mystery skincare edition and the lucky dip box. Okay, let's get into this. This one that I'm opening right now is 100% the lucky dip box. So we're going to get into the lucky dip box and have a look at it. So that's a lucky dip box right there. That is the peppermint hand wipes. Really good. Really smells really, really nice. Haven't used them like that yet, but I will soon. And they're vegan friendly, cruelty free. That is an eye pad that basically you press over your eyes, and you lay there for like 25 minutes with it over your eyes. And what it does to you is that it warms up around your eyes and treats your eyes and everything like that. And this is the Lord Barry Berry lipstick. Absolutely beautiful lipstick. Love the color of it. Doesn't have really much of a scent to it, but I love the color of it because I can use it, because it's like the same color as my lip. I can use it and do a nude color on top of that lipstick. So that was that box. We're about to go into the June mystery skincare box. So this is the June mystery skincare box I'm about to open up. Yep, here we go. We're going in with the Pro Beauty face mask. It's a pink face mask. And then there's the herbal face mask by the Pro Beauty as well. And they're all vegan friendly, and all friendly to your face and skin. So that's a good thing. This is the fluoric acid gummy. The fluoric acid gummy, like the chewy ones where you can just chew them. Sorry for the noise in the background, but yeah, this is the fluoric acid one. And yeah, I haven't tried it yet. I need to Google it first and find out about it before I even think to even try it at all. This is amazing. This is a gel toner. Yeah, so this is a gel toner version. It's made with rose petal and something else, but it is the gel toner, and it's a good gel toner. I use it every day, especially during the night. I rub in a certain amount during the day. I will rub it on with my other toner. Like, I'll join the two toners together. So that was the box there that I showed you. Now we're about to go into the next box that I have, which is the two boxes that I have are the June Mystery Makeup Edition and the Mystery Beauty Hella V6 edition. So this is eyebrow pencil. It's not even my tone. When I took it out and marked it on my skin, it was not my tone at all. It was like, it wasn't the colour for my eyebrow. It was like more closer. I don't even know how to explain it. But yeah, I'll probably use it for something else instead of my eyebrows. But it is soft though. It is very soft. This is Project Lips. This is the Plump and Gloss lip gloss they sent me in the subscription. Which this subscription is the June Mystery Makeup Edition. Which I don't really need any plump and this lips. But knowing me, I will still use it because of the colour of it. And I absolutely love the colour. So yeah, I will definitely use it because of the colour, because I absolutely like the colour, love the colour. It's a nice colour, which I've got it with my lipstick collections. So yeah, this is a nail polish. I didn't realise it was a nail polish at the time, but now I do know that it is a nail polish after I've opened it and taken it out and looked at it properly. See, that's where I figured it out that it's a nail polish. I was there struggling, trying to twist it like the normal twisting ones, but this one is one that you pull off the lid instead of twisting the lid. So at least there you can see that it's a pull off instead of twisting the lid. So I will also do another month's subscription, which will be next month, to show you there's bits missing from this somehow. Showing you primer, showing you the mascara. I think there were certain parts edited from this that wasn't meant to be edited, but it's okay. This wasn't everything from the second subscription. There was more. This is the lip liner pencil. Nude. Absolutely loved the nude, and it's also soft as well. This is the eye brightening recovery eye serum mask that you use overnight. So you use it during the night, you don't use it during the day. I haven't started using it yet. No, I did actually. I have started using it 3 nights ago just to see how it works. Yeah, this one is the rejuvenating eye serum. They use during the morning and during the night. So there's the 2 of them that came in there. Don't watch the face. I was just getting into what he was saying to me. Yeah, so those 2 are 2 eye serum that can be using, but I will let you know how it works for me in the end when I finish trying. This is a skin toner, a skin and tone, whichever. Yeah, you see the names right there. I think it's tonic or toning, but it's a skin toner that you use on your neck and on your face, but you use a cotton pad with this one. That's what they said. They said you got to use cotton pad with it. So obviously I don't know what the purpose is behind it, but that is what they've said. So I would recommend, if you guys do go and order it, use a cotton pad, and definitely we'll put the link of them in the description box so you'll be able to order them or go on there and subscribe to their new subscription. That's all from me now. Bye.
Thank you.